Hey, let me show a quick unboxing and overview of all features for Redmi Buds 6 Lite. And first of all, when you take a look right here, we can find some base specification. This device actually supports Xiaomi earbuds application. We got two microphones with AI noise reduction for calls, up to 38 hours long battery life with a charging case, 12.4mm dynamic driver with titanium diaphragm, and up to 40 decibels wide frequency active noise cancellation, and 4 EQ settings and 1 customizable. Okay, so now we can actually open it and we'll check what we can find inside. Okay, and that's how it looks. This is the plastic, definitely. Right here we got the indicator. At the bottom we can find USB-C port, the button for pairing, and at the back we got a Redmi logo. Inside this cover we got some kind of the marking, and here we've got our earbuds. As you can see, they actually comes with this ear tips, silicone ear tips. There's probably the microphone, left earbud marking. Let's check another one. It actually looks the same. When you take off this ear tip, it's actually easy to take it off. It's easy to put it on. It shows like this. And inside, there's everything. There's like no cable, there's like no ear tips. Okay, and when we connect this device into the Xiaomi earbuds application, we can find some features. So first of all, as you can see, you can find the battery level of the both earbuds and the charging case. We can also find the transparency mode, noise cancellation mode, and we can turn it off. We can find some gestures. We got single tap, double tap, triple tap, press and hold. And let's see what we can add here. We can change songs, we can volume up and volume down, we can play in the pause. For the double tap it's the same, for the triple tap it's the same, and for the press and hold we can adjust this noise cancellation modes, or we can use the voice assistant. In the audio effects we can find 4 default presets of equalizer, and we can even set the custom one. In the additional settings we can rename these earphones. We can find earphones with the sound signaling, and we can also update firmware, but it's only available if you sign in into the Xiaomi account. And about earphones, where you can find the serial number, model number, and yeah, that will be all. This is like all the features that you can find on the Redmi Buds 6 Lite. So thanks for watching. Right now please subscribe.